Your thoughts have a powerful influence over your feelings, and so one key step in overcoming anxiety is learning to change the narrative in your mind. Because if you're struggling with anxiety, it can feel like you're trapped in a vicious cycle of worry and negative thinking, which makes life overwhelming. I'm Andrew Major, clinical hypnotherapist, and I've created these positive affirmations to help you reframe the negative thoughts and worry into more positive and rewarding thoughts that help you think and respond more constructively to situations in your life, so you can regain control, feel calmer and more confident again as you practice and repeat this process. Think of your mind as a garden, where you're the gardener and your thoughts are the seeds. These affirmations are like seeds which can grow in the soil of your subconscious mind, and over time, these positive thoughts can blossom with flowers of peace and resilience. As you listen, recite each affirmation out loud in the space that follows each one, because repeating affirmations actively engages your mind more so than just listening alone, encouraging a deeper personal connection with the affirmations, enhancing their effectiveness. As you practice daily, the deeper they work. So let's begin by relaxing into a comfortable position and focusing on your breathing, taking a deep breath in and breathing out slowly, just allowing your whole body to relax. And as you continue to breathe deeply and evenly, imagine a wave of calm washing over you, starting at the top of your head and flowing through your entire body. Feel this wave of relaxation gently releasing away any tension that you might have had. And as you relax, your mind relaxes too, allowing your mind to open like a blossom, opening to receive and accept all the positive affirmations suggested here for you. My mind is calm and clear. I breathe deeply and relax my mind. I am at peace with my thoughts. I embrace tranquility. My thoughts are gentle and serene. I am in control of my mind and choose peace. I find stillness within myself. I am surrounded by calm and peace. My mind is a place of quiet comfort. I nurture my mind with peaceful thoughts. My inner peace radiates outward. I am at ease with myself and my surroundings. I am learning to let go of worry. I choose peace over fear. I am learning to consciously choose what I think. I choose thoughts that are supportive and beneficial for me. When anxious thoughts come up, I can slow down, breathe, and let them go. Deep relaxation gives me the freedom of choice to move out of fear. When I see most situations as they truly are, there is nothing to be afraid of. Fearful thoughts are usually exaggerated, and I'm growing in my ability to turn them off. More and more, it is becoming easier to relax and focus my mind on good thoughts. I keep my mind too busy thinking positive and constructive thoughts. I am learning to control my mind and choose the thoughts that I think. I am gaining more confidence in myself, knowing I can handle any situation that comes along. Fear is dissolving and vanishing from my life. I am calm, confident and secure as I take life more slowly and easily. I have more ease and peace in my life. I am growing my ability to relax and feel secure. I am worthy of love and respect. I believe in myself and my abilities. I am confident and capable. I value and appreciate myself just as I am. I am proud of who I am becoming. I deserve all the good things life has to offer. I am enough, just as I am. I am strong, resilient and brave. I trust myself and my decisions. I embrace my uniqueness and celebrate my individuality. I am deserving of success and happiness. I love and accept myself as I am. I am deserving of all the kindness and compassion I give to others. I am growing and learning every day. I am worthy of all the positive things coming my way. I believe in my potential and express it every day. I am strong and resilient. I trust my ability to make decisions. I learn and grow from every experience. I have the power to create positive change in my life. I stay calm and composed in every situation. I am resourceful and find solutions to problems. I communicate clearly and confidently. I am patient and understanding in my relationships. I value and appreciate the people in my life. I am worthy worthy of love and affection. I communicate with kindness and clarity. I am open to giving and receiving love. I create a safe and loving environment for myself and others. I am worthy of all the love the universe has to offer. I am becoming my own best friend. I am calm. I am relaxed. I am confident. I feel good about myself day and night. I direct positive thoughts and energies throughout my entire being. I create peace, calm in every waking moment. I am happy in the moment, this moment, now. And now take a deep breath in. Exhale slowly. And take a moment to reflect for this time of positivity and calmness. And don't forget, the more you practice, the deeper they work, and I look forward to seeing you next time.